Assalamu alaikum, this is Abdullah, and civil engineering student in UTHM, and I'm going to ask you some questions about evaluation of civil engineering. First of all, what is civil engineering? Civil engineering is a professional engineering discipline that deals with design, construction, and maintenance of the physical and naturally built environment, including public works such as roads, bridges, canals, dams, airports, sewerage system, pipelines, and structural components of buildings, and also railways. Is civil engineering evolving? In other words, has civil engineering changed over the years? If yes, how? To describe the evaluation in civil engineering, anyone can write a book. It's about its evaluation. From earthen dams to concrete gravity dams, from brick or stone buildings to concrete, steel and timber buildings, from aligned canals to smooth lined canals, from building a one-story buildings to 828-meter tall building. A lot has changed. We started building tall by showing our capacity to build permits without our technology. But now, using technology, we can build faster and taller. We were never able to span long streets, but now we are able to construct a suspension or a cable-stayed bridge across the street. We were never able to deal with earthquakes, but now we have slowly realized how to deal with earthquakes. Before, we were conservative in our designs, but now we are much more accurate. Before, we designed everything using a pen and paper and some linear calculus. But now we use nonlinear finite element analysis for our designing. Before, cost wasn't a major criteria. Now, you need to show how can you construct in limits. Before, we never used GPS for roads construction, but now we use it every day. Before, there were no big dams, but now we have huge dams, and it can be either buttressed dam or a concrete gravity dam. Before, we never thought of energy efficient building. Now, we think about self-sustainable design. I'm really pleased to see the change in civil engineering field over the past few centuries. At the end, I'm sure that you got some ideas about civil engineering. Thank you so much for watching.